நம்ம ஊரு சென்னைக்கு பெரிய விசில் போடுங்க.
ಜಗತ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, RCB ಗೊತ್ತು, ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ಪು ನಮ್ದೆ.
No, that's not happening. That's not happening.
It will happen
CSK
again.
will see a comeback this year. Oh please, CSK will see a comeback this year. Have you seen the lineup that we have? We have Kartik Sharma. We have
ವಿಸಿಲ್ ಕೊಡು ಮನೆ.
no way. No way. That's
This
not
year
happening.
we have already won WPL. We are going to win this.
So you already lost all your luck there. The ladies have taken the luck already.
No, we are winning it.
That's not
From the
happening this
past
year.
years. This year we are
That's
going
not
to win
happening.
again.
That's not happening.
We love Dhoni, but he's retired now. We are not going to support CSK.
So
anymore.
what? There are so
RCB is
many
going to
youngsters
win.
that are there in
RCB is going
CSK
to
this
win.
year.
We
Have
a
you
best-
seen
we
the
have
lineup
best
that we have
team.
this year?
What lineup? You tell me the players name.
So resuming from where we left off last time, we were just having a very easy debate on what we think is going to happen in the IPL 2026 this year.
It is going to happen on March.
Coming March in a few months,
Yeah, we are all geared up because we are all RCB, right?
And we are all geared up because we have very high hopes from CSK this year.
We have,
You have very high hopes. A team that has
We are
made
not
it to the
hoping.
finals 10 times,
We
okay?
are not hoping.
We've made it to the playoffs 12 times.
We are not hoping we will be in the final this time. ಈ ಸಲ
And
ಕೂಡ
you'll
cup
come back.
ನಮ್ದು.
And you'll come back.
Because from the past 3 years we have won 3 cups.
Okay.
What have you done in those past 3 years?
Just because we had a small run episode, that doesn't mean that
I agree. CSK is a champion team. Was a champion team. Not a champion team right now.
Please.
Not a champion team. When you look at the team, RCB has a right set of players to win the championship again. And they have not made any changes, which are big changes. They have retained the core team. But Chennai is not. Chennai has let go of their
Can I just ask you how long have you people been
Jadeja has been
playing in the IPL?
Periya Chennai ko visit
Can I?
kodunga.
No, please answer
Ravindra
my
Jadeja
question
ko Mumbai
first.
bhejunga,
Please answer
Rajasthan
my question
bhejunga.
first, okay? How long have you been playing in the IPL? We have had a massive tactical reset, okay? So we definitely have a lot of hopes on how well CSK is going to play this
You are
year.
going from uncle's army to youth army. All were uncles before 2020. Now you have gone to youth. You have been changing your tactics by then.
Yeah,
but you have not
we are.
still succeeded. We know we are champions. Defending champions.
You have already pushed your luck. You won once, and now you are just
Not by
riding on the
luck, okay?
success
It's
of
pure
that.
domination. It's not luck. It's pure domination.
So where was the dominance for all these years?
We were there in the finals, but we were there in 2016 and 17 too, playing IPL.
Okay.
We literally missed our profound enemy CSK for those 2 years. I'm feeling really bad for that.
I do not want to bring up
But
that
I love
topic
Dhoni.
today.
But I love Dhoni. But being a Bangalore guy,
That's
I love
not going
RCB.
to be your saving grace at all.
No,
By
no.
saying
We
you
have
love
played
Dhoni
IPL
doesn't mean
we
that.
have
The thing that I really wanted to emphasize is Captain Rutu is back, and we have a lot of hopes
Captain
on.
Rutu was there from past 2 years. He's done nothing. But he played his part.
He's had a change in
But-
luck, okay? He's had a change
but
in
I
luck.
don't think he
2025 was a
has-
tough year for everybody, okay?
But not
So
for us.
we-
Not for us. Because we have won in 25, right?
I
You seen on June 3rd, what happened?
genuinely believe that we are going to prove you wrong in that.
I'll be the most happiest person, but we'll prove you wrong in the final. We want you to be the opponent in the final. We wish you will come to the final. So
I
that we can
want
defeat
us
you in
to
the
be
final.
your opponent in the finals as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to lose. I'm going to lose.
I don't agree with that statement at all.
Yeah.
Not at all.
You agree or not? You are going to win again.
I don't agree
You're
with
going
that.
to-
Not at all. Yeah, no.
You are going to be the champions again. Because
We will reach
our
the
ladies
finals,
have
and then
won.
you'll see how well we've played and how well we can play, how well we have been playing for so long.
Oh, stop time traveling.
Oh,
Stop time
oh,
traveling.
oh.
It's not what you are thinking.
Excuse me.
Stop time traveling.
Shouldn't I be saying that to you?
Huh?
How much time have you spent in this past decade? Just take the past decade.
In the past decade,
Yeah.
we have played entire seasons. I mean, all the seasons of IPL. But I doubt you have played all the seasons. Have you played all the seasons?
Despite the break that we had
It's
to
not
take,
a break. It's not a break.
despite the break that we had to
Don't
take,
mention it as a break.
it was a break. It was a break.
No, no,
Despite
no.
the break that we had to take, we still came back quite strong.
It is
So
like,
that is
it
a very
like
good
it is
testament
like a
of how
graduate-
well we can
it is
play.
It's like a graduate student getting debarred from the college for 2 years, then coming back, then doing something.
His words.
Hmm.
I don't know what he's talking about. It was a break. It was a break.
Oh, because those of all were elders,
It was a
they
break.
wanted to take a break.
It was a
Oh.
break. It was
I
a
don't
break.
think it was a break.
It
But it's
was a
okay.
break,
We can
and we
understand
came
the
back
pain if-
super
I
strong.
understand your
And
pain. No problem. You can
it was
continue.
a break.
After 2023, I have not seen CSK playing that.
That's why we made a whole tactical
cricket.
retreat to get better players this year, to change our
And
entire
also,
team.
I don't think Dhoni sir will be playing this year for the entire season. I think the baton
I
will
hope
be
he
going
is,
to get
because
passed from
that
him to
is-
some other youngster
Hmm.
because he's too old now. But we have to respect his whatever he has done for the country and the
He has
team.
a legacy, man. He
Yeah,
has a
he
legacy.
has a legacy. We
The
have
kind
no
of
hatred
player,
towards Dhoni.
the kind of player
We
that
love
Dhoni
Dhoni,
is.
but
Yeah. MS Dhoni,
we
you
hate
should see
CSK na,
the
because we are
moment he
RCB.
enters the stadium, okay,
Huh.
the crowd literally goes wild.
Wild. Even your
Yeah.
batsman gets out, the crowd gets wild. Even CSK batsman gets out, the crowd goes
We were
wild.
talking about Dhoni. We'll keep talking about Dhoni, sir. Okay, that man is a legend.
Yeah, he's a legend. That doesn't mean you have
He is a
to
legend.
you have to put down your own teammates only.
I don't know what you're talking about.
No, I know you cannot relate
I
with
don't want to
loyalty.
talk
I know
about-
you cannot relate with loyalty because whatever has happened with Ashwin sir, Jadeja bhai, then Raina. How can you forget Raina? You have left Raina, who has played you for 11 to 12 years. With
I
his
think that is something that the
blood and
management
sweat.
would be better at answering.
Whatever it might be.
That is something
Look at
that-
Bengaluru, bro. Look at Bengaluru. Look at
Yeah,
Bengaluru, how they have
okay.
retained their stars with the team.
Okay.
You know how they have celebrated the after the championship with their
I saw
old
how they
players.
celebrated,
Yeah.
and I also saw what happened at the celebrations.
Hmm.
What do you have to say for that?
I don't want to see anything about it, but it was a poor mismanagement. It should be the responsibility of the citizen to decide what to attend, what not to attend. They
Okay,
would
true.
not would have taken care of it, but it is also the mismanagement of the organizations as well that we cannot comment. But it was really sad that it ended it in bad way.
It
But
was.
it's fine.
Yes, it really was. Especially as people who were, especially as people who were living in Bangalore, it was a very sad sight to see.
Okay.
I
Let's see.
don't want to end on a sad note,
But-
so
but
we will
RCB
come
is
back
going-
to our shared
RCB
love
is
for
going,
Dhoni sir.
Huh.
I want to
see him
end.
again.
Yeah, we really want to
Playing
see
his last
Dhoni sir
IPL.
play again. Yeah,
Yeah, ಈ ಸಲ cup
that
ನಮ್ದು.
line was not
ಈ
necessary.
ಸಲ cup ನಮ್ದು.
That line was not
Or-
necessary.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಊರು ಚೆನ್ನೈకి ತೆರಿ ವಿಸಿಲ್ ಪೋಡುಂಗ.
Yes.
But RCB is gonna win the cup this year.
We'll see. We'll see you at
We'll
finals.
see
We'll
what
see you at
happens. I don't
finals.
think you'll qualify for the playoffs.
Signing off.
Signing off from RCB.